Welcome. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to prevent camera access on Google Chrome for PC following the latest update. Keeping your privacy intact is crucial, and this step-by-step guide will help you disable camera access for websites. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or from your taskbar. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the window. Next, click on the three dots. This is known as the menu icon, and it will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your browser. Now, scroll down to find the Privacy and Security section. Click on it to expand more options related to your privacy settings. After that, look for Site Settings and click on it. This section allows you to control permissions for different websites, including camera access. Next, you'll see a list of permissions. Find and click on Camera. This will take you to the camera settings where you can manage which sites can or cannot use your camera. Finally, to prevent any website from accessing your camera, choose the option that says, "Don't allow sites to use your camera." By selecting this, all websites will be blocked from using your camera without your permission. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable camera access in Google Chrome on your PC. This is an effective way to enhance your privacy and ensure that no website can access your camera without your consent. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.